In this short video, you will learn how you can import leave entitlements into the system, either for one employee or for many employees together in bulk. We have Paul Morrison, he's our employee. I'm logged in as Haley Miller, the HR. I'm currently using the HR Hub app. You can add entitlements to the employee for the past years by adding entitlement option here. But how do you do it for multiple employees? This video will explain that to you. We'll start with the employees list. So you need the employee's name from this. So what I'm going to do is export to online. I need the full name format of the employee. So in this case, I will take Paul Morrison, but you can of course copy all the names that you want. Then I head over to my advanced settings page, which you can achieve from the advanced settings gear, and click on templates for data import. Now search for leave entitlement, click download. Okay, there you go. That's the Excel sheet that you need. Open it, enable editing. So we need some fields to be filled in. I'll explain to you which one you will need. So we will have to search for the employee first. Place your employee that you copied into employee column. Next, choose the absence type that you want to give as an entitlement. You can also do many lines together. So I can also give sick, for example. The time units are already maintained in the system, so you don't have to fill that. But here you have to enter the date format. In this case, I'm entering for last year, and it ends last year. Since you're just importing for last year, you don't have to really carry over anything because the process will not run for past records. And now we can give the entitlement. So for last year, I'm going to give 20 days and sick leave is 10 days. You don't have to fill anything. That's it. Now save this file somewhere. Go back to the data management page. Click on import. Click on import data. Choose the file and search for your file where it's located. After adding the file, click on next and submit. Finish the process. Now you can track the import of leave entitlements on the same page. It's now fully imported. Now go back to your employee, refresh, and you'll see the leave entitlements packed into your leave summaries for 2022. This is how you create the leave entitlements in bulk for the employees. You can of course add many employees in your Excel sheet and import them all together. Now, with this leave entitlements entered in the system, now you can start with the import process of leave requests for the past. Continue watching and learning together with HubDrive. Thank you.